Hi everybody, today I wanted to show you a video of what Dr. Finn and I talked about in class today, which was downloading data files from UB onto the computer and how to get multivariance to run your data file and basically having everything all on the desktop, kind of those instructions that we talked about in class today. I figured I'd make a little video to kind of go over all of that. So what you see in front of me is the UB Learns homepage when you log in. Yours might have different courses, of course. I'm going to click on the class, our multivariate class, and basically I'm going to take us to where the data files are for class. And I'm going to click now on where it says course documents. And our first assignment, the data file was on the front of this course documents page. We used the exercise 3.dat over here. For almost every other assignment that you're going to be doing in class, you're going to click on the practically all class files folder. So I'm going to click on that just so you can see where all of the other data files are for future assignments. And for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use the clarinet.dat file because that was the last assignment you just did. So I'm going to click on this right here. And it's going to say you're choosing to open clarinet.dat. And I want to open this file, and I want to make sure that it either says WordPad or Notepad here. If it doesn't show you WordPad or Notepad is what you're opening it with, click on Other, and then pick the appropriate program. So I'm going to say open this data file with Notepad. I'm going to say OK. And it's going to open the data set for me. Now, just because I opened it, though, from UB Learns, it doesn't mean that this file is on my desktop. So what I need to do is go to File, Save As, and make sure that now I click on Desktop, and I say clarinet.dat is the file name, and I'm going to hit Save, and now it's going to go in the desktop. So now I have my data file saved on the desktop. And you can see now that if I go to my desktop, there's my data file, okay, clarinet.dat. So that's good. So now that I've saved my data file to the desktop, now I need to open a new multivariance command file and basically write my syntax. And this file should also be saved to the desktop. So I'm going to go to the bottom left corner and click the Windows icon. I'm going to click on All Programs. And I'm going to scroll down until I find the Multivariance 8 folder. I click on that, and I'm going to click on the option that says Multivariance 8. So you get this little window that we're all accustomed to. And now I want to open a new command file so I can type my syntax. So I go to File, New. And I want to make sure that up here where it says Look In, I want to click and change this so it says Desktop. And then I'm going to give it a name. We'll call it Clarinet. And then I'm just going to hit Open. So now, if I reduce or minimize this screen, I should see this Clarinet command file now on my desktop too. And now I'm going to go back to my command file, and I want to paste the syntax. I mean, typically you would write the syntax yourself, but for the sake of time, I just wanted to, show, you put your syntax next into your multivariance command file. And then after that, you hit Run, and because they're both in the same spot, barring any errors you've made, it should run successfully. and it does. And you can see that after I ran the output, I have a little icon now on my desktop that says my output's also on the desktop too. If I go to output, there we go.